Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can add playlists in your Tivimate for smooth IPTV streaming. So we're going to see what you need to do for this. First of all, once you open this Tivimate on your laptop or your mobile device, what you're going to do is you're going to open it and you're going to see this. Once you open your Tivimate app, you'll see this option labeled as add playlist. You'll see this written and you're going to simply press on add playlist. Now once you do, you'll see this. Now you need to add a playlist which is known as an M3U playlist. So out of these options, you're going to simply press on M3U playlist. Now once you press on M3U playlist, you're going to enter your M3U URL. Now you can see you can enter URL, you can select a local playlist, and you can paste from clipboard. So if you have your URL, you can simply paste it. You can paste it from clipboard, or if you want to select a local playlist, you're going to use any of these three options which are the most appropriate to you. And after that, you simply just add your playlist, and after that you'll press on next, and then you will be proceeded and you will add the EPG, and your playlist will officially be on Tivimate and you will be able to stream it. So that is a simple process that you have to follow. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.